beautiful Valentine's Day puppy made only of hearts. You'll need a glue stick, a pair of scissors, a red marker, and a black marker. And you'll need the papers I sent home in the materials bag. So in your materials bag, you got this: a red paper, a pink paper, a black paper, and a white paper. And they all have these lines on them. And they're all folded in half. We're going to start with the red paper. Now, when I want to make a heart, I fold the paper in half and I draw this shape on it, and then I cut it out. So let's go ahead and do that. So I want you to cut right on the line while it's folded. And this you can use for other art projects. Go ahead and put that in your scrap paper pile. And when we unfold it, we have a beautiful red heart. Let's go ahead and do that with the pink paper too. This we're going to need, so don't keep that close by. Don't put that anywhere else. And now we have a beautiful pink heart. I'm going to do the black one next. And now I'm going to cut out 2 white ones. So now I have 2 white and 1 black heart. And this can go in your scrap paper or your recycling. Now we are going to take the red heart, and that is going to be the dog's face. The pink heart, we're actually going to cut it right on this fold. And these are going to be the dog's ears, so we're going to glue them to the back of the red heart like that. So let's get our glue stick. We're going to turn the red heart upside down, and we're going to put some glue on this part and on this part. And that's where we're going to connect the ears. So I'll put one ear on this side, like that. And one ear on this side, like that. And when I turn it over, those are the 2 dog ears. Now these are the eyes. So we're going to glue those 2 there for the eyes. And this one right down here for the nose. So let's go ahead and glue those on. To get a couple of markers. First, with the black marker, I'm going to put eyes in the middle like that. And then I'm going to get a red marker. And I'm going to use the red marker to put dots on my pink ears. We forgot to do one more thing. Remember I told you to keep that extra piece of pink? We're going to use it to make a tongue. So I have a piece of the pink paper that we didn't use, and I'm going to cut out this shape And this is going to be our dog's tongue. So I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to glue it right on the back like that. Put a little bit of glue right on the top of my pink tongue. And then put it right down here. Oh, how cute is that? All right, well, I hope you guys have a good time making your Valentine's Day puppy. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. Happy Valentine's